Hi everyone, it's me Joe and this is my penultimate Halloween look, I think. I'm going to be doing some sort of undead zombie-like creature. I've got this idea in my head. Today I'm thinking of combining kind of a few references, and I was looking at kind of like science fiction imagery of undead, kind of bluish zombies, and I was having a look at kind of skulls, and I'm going to have a bit of a play today on like an undead Viking warrior, I think. I don't have a great deal of prosthetic stuff. I don't like using latex and I don't use that kind of lash glue. So it's a little bit tricky to kind of build up some texture, but I'm going to try my best. I'm going to be using Dermaflage primer to dehydrate the area. So I'm applying this with the applicator just in the area I want to apply the texture. I'm going to, on the back of my hand, squeeze a little bit of this out, and I guess you can use some sort of sculpting silicone product. I'm going to use this from the lip up and smoothing it out a little bit. Okay, so now let's pretend that we have a kind of bloody gash there. Doesn't that sound appealing? Okay, so I'm using some Blac Snazaroo just in the centre of this. Pull apart the little flesh wound here, which is going to be my, hopefully, a wound. And I've mixed on the back of my hand just some kind of, I guess, some of that Blac Snazaroo in with my Barbara Daily foundation, which is kind of like Studio Fix Fluid. I'm just using this over the face, I'm putting this in the areas of the contours firstly, and just overall the texture we created. Now using a lighter shade of that, just mixed with some white grease paint. I'm just going to use that in the highlights. So once we have the outline in, I'm using white set powder on the eyelids. And what I want to achieve is when my eyes are kind of shut, it looks like I have white eyes. I'm grabbing one of these. I've got like 7 pairs or something in here, maybe more. I don't know where they're all from. I'm just going to use some randoms just to really kind of give the illusion it's an eyelid. So I'm kind of placing one on the outside here. So we're using 2 on each eye. So I'm adding some flesh tone pencil to my waterline. As you can see, it's all coming together slowly. Now I'm about to start adding some of the brownie blood texture. I'm using a pencil to go around silicone. I'm going to be using this pigment by MAC. It's the chocolate brown pigment, and overlapping I'm going to use this to really contour. I'm going to use stiletto on the lips. God, it's getting quite scary, isn't it? So this is kind of where I wanted to take it. I wanted it to look kind of like I was killed at sea or something. I'm going to get changed and then I'll be right back. So I have my helmet. Let me just pop this on. And obviously I've styled my hair with a crimping, curling thing. So let's just part the weave. And the outfit I have is a feathered cape that I kind of customised. So the final thing is to add some blood to the look. So let me grab my fake blood. And I wanted it to look like I have an arrow coming out of my neck to some degree. So just visualise this. And here we go. Alright guys, well this is my final look. I hope you like it. I just threw something on out of my closet, literally. But I thought it was a nice way to finish the look because I've never done anything this kind of dramatic before. Don't forget to subscribe before I eat your brains, and I will see you all soon.